Hello everyone, this is Parshuram Roy from Roy Overseas. In this video, we will discuss about how to get admission on merit through NEET PG Counseling 2025. Let us simplify the exact steps you must follow to secure a merit-based PG seats without paying management or NRI fees. Let me first tell you what a merit seat actually means. A merit seat simply means your admission is given purely based on your NEET PG marks and NEET PG rank without any donation fees, management or NRI quota fees. These merit seats are available in All India quota of 100% seats in central government medical colleges, All India quota of 50% seats in state government medical colleges, state quota seats 50% in state government medical colleges, All India quota of 100% admission in deemed university or national private medical colleges on merit quota seats, and admission in government university, state private medical colleges on merit quota seats, this 85% state quota. Here is some exception in UP where 100% seats in private medical colleges is available for merit-based admissions. In Karnataka, 55% seats or admission is open in state university affiliated medical colleges for all India students or non-domicile of Karnataka. It is important to note that there are only two paths to get a merit seat in India: MCC or All India quota counseling or state quota counseling. Let us discuss MCC or All India quota counseling. This includes 100% seats in central universities or central government medical colleges, 50% All India quota seats of all state government medical colleges, 100% seat of deemed universities or national private medical colleges, 50% All India quota PG seats of colleges under Employee State Insurance Union Corporation, Insurance Corporation, all PG seats of Armed Forces Medical Services institutions, central institutes like Safdarganj Hospital, AVVIMS, RML Hospital, ESIC Institute, PGIMSER, or 50% All India state quota seats and 50% states of IP University. State counseling includes 50% of government medical seats in state medical colleges, 100% of state private colleges merit quota seats. Now we will discuss this step-by-step process of NEET PG counseling. First, to participate in NEET PG counseling, you need to have an eligible NEET PG score. NEET PG eligibility score may get revised after completion of MCC round 2. Merit seats depend completely on your rank. Better the rank, better the college and branch. Step 1. Registered for MCC counseling. Go to the website mcc.nic.in, register yourself and choose the options of your preference: All India quota, deemed or central universities, whatever it is. Fill the details carefully and upload documents correctly. Step 2. Register for your state counseling. Always remember, MCC and state counseling both are separate. So you must apply for your domicile state on their respective state counseling portals only. Domicile means both by birth and from where you have done your MBBS. Step 3, which includes choice filling, the most important and crucial part of counseling process to get a merit seat. Your choice list must be arranged correctly, properly. First, government colleges as per ranking, place, city. Then government quota seats in private colleges. Then government quota seats in deemed universities as per your preference. And last, private colleges with merit quota. Here you need to remember, add maximum choices as there is no limit of choice. Step 4 is document verification. For a merit seat, you must submit the following documents correctly, which is all MBBS mark sheet, MBBS degree certificate or provisional degree certificate, internship completion certificate, a taped certificate, MCI registration certificate or state medical council registration certificate, NEET PG admit card, NEET PG score card, domicile certificate, caste or EWS certificate if applicable, valid photo ID proof or class 10 certificate, date of birth proof, MCC allotment letter. Please be careful while submitting your documents. One small mistake in the document submission can lead to disqualification of your merit seat. Step 5, round 1 result. If you do not get a seat in round 1, you can further participate in the next rounds. If you get a seat allotted in round 1, you can still go for a free exit. If you are not satisfied with your college allotment or after joining, you can choose for upgrade. Step 6, round 2 and round 3. Round 2 and 3 is again completely merit based. There is no free exit here, so choose wisely. If you make a mistake, if you don't like the seat, you will lose your security deposit here. So be very careful while choosing or selecting the college. Step 7, mop up and stray vacancy round. These rounds fill the leftover seats, still based on rank order. So it is still merit based, not management quota based. These were the steps for participating in NEET PG counseling. Now let us conclude this video with tips to maximize your chances of getting a merit based seat you need. Please remember, fill as many choices you want, you like. Don't skip the state counseling after All India quota. Choose your branch, college according to your rank and last year's cutoff trained. Make sure all documents are error free. If you want a personalized analysis of branch, college, state based on your rank and score, Roy Overseas Services will guide you further in this regard. At Roy Overseas, we assist all UG and PG medical aspiring students in securing their dream medical career in India and abroad. You can contact us on below mentioned details. Drop your rank in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more NEET PG updates. Thank you so much. Namaste.